Welcome back to my video tutorials. My name is Alfredo Martinez, and today's tutorial is gonna be about OpenOffice. Okay, OpenOffice on Windows 10. Okay, are you tired of expending money on Microsoft Office every time you buy a new computer? And or tired of the technical problems you encounter on Microsoft Office products? And when you contact Microsoft for tech support, they always want to charge you for any support they may provide, and many times they don't have a solution or fix to your specific problem. If that is you, I have great news. Go with OpenOffice. This is a free and trouble-free software. Okay, and right here we have the link. I will be leaving the link on below the tutorial for you guys to access and download this OpenOffice software. Now, what is OpenOffice? OpenOffice is the leading open source office software suite for word processing, spreadsheets, presentations, graphics, databases, and more. It is available in many languages and works on all common computers. It stores all your data in an international open standard format and can also read and write files from other common Office software packages. It can be downloaded and used completely free or charged for any purpose. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get in line. So as you guys could notice, I already installed Windows 10 on this computer. Here's my Cortana. Okay, and I also have the Microsoft Office suite installed on this particular computer, the 2013 version. Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Access, this whole suite. But let's say that I'm tired of paying money every time that I get a new computer. Okay, and this is probably your case. So let's go ahead and open your Explorer or the new Edge, and let's go ahead and get into the address bar and type in www.openoffice.org. Once we do that, okay, remember, make sure that you guys copy that particular link correctly, so it will take you to the correct place. Okay, now that we're here, we have this is the OpenOffice website, and we have quite a few different options here if you guys want to learn more, okay, or if you guys want to download it, or if you guys need help, okay, etc, etc. Well, in our case, we are gonna be downloading, okay, the OpenOffice. Now we're gonna be clicking on the second link here. I want to download Apache OpenOffice. Let's go ahead and click once. Once we click on that, it's gonna open a different website. Okay, so right here we have that option. We have that option to download the full installation, and you guys also have that option to download the language package, just in case if you guys wanna install it on a different language other than English. Okay, you guys could also download it for different operating systems. You guys could use it for Linux, OS X, okay, or Macs, Apple products, or in our case, like in this tutorial, for Windows. Okay, and that's all you guys need to do. Just click into, select Windows. It will be compatible with any version of Windows. The language and the version, we don't need to select anything. Okay, now we are gonna go ahead and click right here, download full, and only click once into that link. Okay, so what happened when I click into the link, it opened another tab. Okay, after it opened another tab, just wait a few seconds, a couple of seconds, and then pay attention right here at the bottom of your browser. You guys are gonna have this little pop-up window letting you know, okay, how long this download is gonna take. In my case right now, it says that it will be about 18 minutes. Okay, so let me go ahead and go back. We have the same browser open. It's just that I have two different tabs. Now I'm gonna go back. Okay, this is the one that we opened first. After I click into download full installation, it opened another tab, and at the bottom of your screen you guys will see that the software is being downloaded. Okay, now let's go ahead and wait a few minutes. There you go. So we're all almost there. Okay, I haven't done anything. Okay, after a little while, this message is gonna appear. Okay, just giving you some information about how many times this OpenOffice, Apache OpenOffice, is being downloaded. Okay, so we're pretty close. 27 seconds. 25. Okay, so remember, we click on Apache, we went to download. After I click on download, another tab opens. When this tab opens, just wait a few seconds, and then at the bottom of the screen it is going to be this pop-up window letting you know that it's been downloaded. Depending on your internet connection, that's the time that it's going to take to be downloaded on your computer. Okay, in my case it took about 7 minutes because I have almost 60 gigabytes of download on my internet connection. Okay, so there you go. Now we have a different message. Okay, now it says that it's finished downloading. Now what do you want to do? You want to run it, or you want to view the downloads? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on run. Before I click on run, after you guys click on run, you guys are probably gonna see a small window, the UAC, the user account control, asking you. It's when the screen gets blank and a little window opens up asking you, do you want to allow the following program to make changes to your computer? And of course, you guys are installing the program, so just click on yes. In my case, it's not showing because I had that option disabled. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna go ahead and click on run. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and minimize. Okay, and I minimize my new browser, and now we have this installation wizard. Pretty much just follow the steps. Okay, so over here we're gonna click on next. Okay, now this particular program is compressed, so we have to decompress the file. Okay, now where do we want to decompress? So I'm gonna click on browse, and right here I'm gonna select the desktop. Okay, so once select desktop, I'm gonna click on OK, and then I'm gonna select unpack. This process should be fast. It shouldn't take that long. And there you go. And as you guys can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different new icons on my desktop. Okay, those were the files that we just downloaded and then we decompressed into the desktop. Okay, and I haven't done anything else. I'm just keep waiting. Okay, and now the wizard, or the OpenOffice wizard, it opens up and it's going to continue the installation. But right now the next button is not available, so I have to wait. Okay, but like I said, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different icons on my desktop. Okay, so we're still waiting. There you go. Now we could continue the installation, okay, because now we have the next button available. So I'm just gonna click on next. If you guys want to personalize this, you guys could do that. Okay, in my case, I'm gonna do that. First and last name and my organization. Okay, and this program is gonna be available for anybody that uses this computer. Okay, if I have other accounts, they will be able to use it also. It's gonna be a typical installation. Next. Okay, and make sure by default you guys are gonna have a check mark on create a start link on desktop. Okay, don't remove the check mark, just leave it on, or make sure that is selected, and then go ahead and click on install. Okay, it was giving me a small error, so I had to cancel. And then after I cancel, I just double click into the setup icon. And it's been doing, it's doing the installation the way it was supposed to be. Okay, so from here, we're just gonna wait a few seconds. There you go, it's about to finish. And there we go. Okay, so here's a wizard telling me that it's done. The installation was successfully. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and click on finish. Okay, and now I'm gonna have another new icon. Okay, now I'm gonna double click into this new icon, which is the Open Office icon. I'm gonna double click like any other program on Windows. And the first time there you go. Okay, so from here I could open a text document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, okay, drawing, database, formula, or templates. Or from here I could just go ahead and surf through my computer and open any other file that I may have. Okay, so the text document is gonna be replacing, okay, Word, Microsoft Office, spreadsheets, Excel, presentation, PowerPoint, okay, drawing, and then we have database like Access in Microsoft Office. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just double click into the link. And here's my word processor from Open Office. So from here you guys could just start your new document. Okay, so we have all the tools above. This is the user format, very similar to the Office 2007. Okay, and on the right hand side we have some extra tools. If you guys know how to use Microsoft Office, any version of Microsoft Office, this will be a piece of cake, okay, for you guys. Let me go ahead and close this Word document. Of course, it's gonna ask me if you want to save it. No, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on discard. I don't want to save that. Okay, now these other icons, the new icons, once I install, okay, Open Office, I could just go ahead and delete those icons, those files, because I don't need it anymore. Okay, so just click, select, and then delete on the keyboard. Okay, so the only one that you guys are gonna keep into your desktop is this one, the Open Office. Double click. Let's say that I wanna open a spreadsheet, that I wanna create a table with some information. So there we go. Okay, So from here we could just go ahead and start typing in your data, and very similar to Microsoft Office products. Equals sum parentheses 1, 2, and 3, close parentheses, enter, and there's my result. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and close that. I don't want to save it, discard, and there you are. So let me go back just one more time. Okay, remember the first place that we came, it was this one, OpenOffice. Once we click on I want to download Apache, it will open another tab. Don't click on anything, just wait a few seconds, and then at the bottom of your screen there's going to be a pop-up window telling you how much time is going to be to be downloaded. After that we click on run. Okay, after we click on run, another window will open, and then we click on decompress, select the desktop. Once we get those files on the desktop, the installation will start. Okay, once we finish the installation, we could just go ahead and delete the other files and just keep this one, delete shortcut for the OpenOffice. Ready? Well, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel for new videos coming very soon. Thank you for watching. My name is Alfredo, and you guys have a great day. Goodbye.